Hey everyone, welcome to Wake Up. My name is Sirohi, and I'm so excited to have you here. This is the place where motivation meets action, where dreams are turned into goals, and where the journey to becoming the best version of yourself begins. Wake Up is all about helping you push past limits and take that first step toward positive change. Life is tough sometimes, and it's easy to feel stuck. But I truly believe that every single day is an opportunity, a new chance to start fresh and grow stronger. The power of motivation. Motivation isn't something that just comes from nowhere. It's built. It's created by the actions we take, the mindset we choose, and the decisions we make every single day. When the alarm rings in the morning, it's not just about getting out of bed. It's about choosing to move forward. It's about choosing to wake up and not let the day pass by without making progress. Encouragement to take action. So, no matter where you are in life, no matter how big or small your goals are, it's time to take action. It starts with one simple decision. The decision to wake up and take control of the day. Don't wait for motivation to come to you. Create it. Make that small step toward the change you want to see in your life, and soon those small steps will turn into something huge. On this channel, you'll find motivational content, tips to stay focused, and challenges that push you toward becoming the best version of yourself. Whether it's overcoming self-doubt, building better habits, or staying consistent in tough times, Wake Up is here to help you keep moving forward. So, if you're ready to start waking up to your potential, hit that subscribe button. Let's take this journey together, step by step, and make every single day count. I'm here to remind you that no dream is too big, and it's never too late to start. Thank you for watching, and remember, each morning is a new opportunity to rise, take action, and make progress.